Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel garnish. First, gather your essential ingredients: granulated sugar and water. You will also need a clean, heavy-bottomed saucepan and a heat-proof surface, like parchment paper or a silicone mat, for cooling. Make sure all your tools are completely dry to prevent crystallization. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful caramel-making process. Next, combine your sugar and water in the saucepan. Place it over medium-high heat. Allow the sugar to dissolve completely as it heats. Once the mixture begins to boil, resist the urge to stir it. Stirring can cause the sugar to crystallize, resulting in a grainy texture. Instead, gently swirl the pan if needed to ensure even cooking. As the water evaporates, the sugar will begin to caramelize. Watch it closely. It will transition from clear to a light straw color, then to a beautiful amber, similar to a copper penny. The moment it reaches your desired shade, remove the pan from the heat immediately. To stop the cooking process, carefully place the bottom of the hot pan into an ice bath for a few seconds. Now for the fun part: shaping. Work quickly, as caramel cools and hardens very fast. You can drizzle it onto your prepared surface to create intricate patterns, or use a fork to pull strands for delicate nests. For more sculptural pieces, you might carefully dip a utensil. Allow your caramel creations to cool completely and harden before gently peeling them off the surface and using them to adorn your desserts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.